Social media for social change. Education instead of incarceration. You're going to learn today. All right? This is something you can learn. Ivan Bates, everything that you got, you're going to have to turn over to the public for the voters. If not, that's part of called voter suppression. The RICO Act, yeah, it goes against the government too. The state of Maryland and the state of Illinois is making money off of the prison industry, off of black bodies. You locking up black people for no apparent reasons. Yeah. That's what that toilet was about. So we're going to take this a journey back. Ghosts from Christmas past, present, and future. So let's talk about this. That's Ivan Bates. That's my father and my mother, Corrine Davis. She was born in 1929. My father was born in 1926. Remember Birth of a Nation? That's when y'all gave the right to kill black people. Birth of a Nation. Well, we're going to rebirth the nation. That's me and my mother, all right? That's me and my mother. You kidnapped me on February the 7th, 2011. You took me from my family. Ivan Bates never messed with a black man's mother. Never messed with a black man's family. This is my family. You feel me? My brothers and sisters. There's 10 of us. Just because you see me by myself don't mean I'm by myself. So Ivan Bates, you got legal mail that you got in January of 2023. And you ain't acted on that. You banned me from coming to your office. That's Public Accommodations Act. You took an oath to defend the Constitution. You got to defend me. You feel me? You got to defend me. That's the Constitution. And that's the toilet. It's my political soapbox. That's Jack. Yeah, that's my political soapbox. That's Donald Trump.
Please don't gush me. Please, man, I'm begging you here. All that spitting makes me dizzy.
You took an oath to defend the Constitution. That means Public Accommodations Act, the right to come into the office. I got a 3D printer and I ain't printing guns, I'm printing toilets. And this one is for you, Ivan. You get a golden toilet. Because you's Baltimore's golden boy. You the one that's going to send black people to jail, so I got to put you in your place. You put your hand up? Yeah, so did I. I took an oath. I'm a veteran of the United States Navy. And it's Veterans Day today. We're going to give you a walk down memory lane. All right, that's the Baltimore Sun right there. That's me, Pit Stops. That's my store on Falls Road. That's the Towson coach from 2004, 2006. That's my store on Falls Road. You feel me? That's my store. We storytelling, we stoop telling. We stoop telling so you don't have no misunderstandings. Because when I come to your office, don't block me out. You got a job to do. That's Governor Hogan and Al Redmer. You talking about the money you make off black bodies. Governor Hogan made $4 billion in the 8 years he was in office. See the date? That's certified mailing. That's Chief Hyatt. Chief Hyatt was the Baltimore City Police captain, lieutenant, major, whatever. She went from Baltimore City to John Hopkins, from John Hopkins to Towson. It's the militarization of your police department, and you used her to do it. You use the female police, and then you let her go. Her husband worked at Johns Hopkins University. All right? The militarization of your police department. That's Dr. Lawrence. And that's Dr. Lawrence, me, and Sheila Dixon. Y'all talk about the butterfly and all that, but y'all don't talk about mass incarceration. Under Sheila Dixon's administration, y'all flourish. You worked under Sheila Dixon in her administration. You was working with Jessamy then. You was also down there working for the Fraternal Order of Police. Frank Boston will tell you that. Frank Boston is the FOP's lawyer. Frank Boston and me I worked for Frank Boston. That's me. I'm an activist, and my activism is well known in Baltimore. You feel me? That's the Baltimore Sun, Justin Fenton. Y'all let Justin Fenton, like, we got who runs the city? That's Justin Fenton in the Baltimore Sun. And that's the Washington Post. All right? I caught y'all at this event, and I pulled that card out. Welcome to the shit show. See that? That's Pastor Jerome Stevens. See the person in the background? That's Marilyn Mosby's security. All right? And that was at Melvin Russell's retirement party. Ask him about it. Like I said, I'm my father's child. I'm Joe Davis' son. You feel me? I don't run from a fight. Art and activism. We was freeing Keith Davis, and I used toilets to do it. It's the art of getting money. I'm the king of talking shit, and I can back it up. Ask Larry Hogan. Like I said, the art of getting money. That's Marilyn Mosby and Tessa from the NAACP when I ran for governor, lieutenant governor in 2014. That's Ron Matz and WJZ. You feel me? Like they said, put it in a book. That's Fern Shin. Fern Shin lied to y'all. That toilet I put in front of the school board was about the school to prison pipeline. That's Larry Hogan. He ain't gonna be running from nothing. The Department of Justice can't protect Larry Hogan. Eric Barron got this information. Robert Hur had this information. And I got Robert Hur on film. I got you on film. I got what I need. You feel me? Mainstream media been lying to you. These are the cases. I never got a trial for none of these cases. 082560074. I ain't get a case for none of that. Maryland case 24C10. That was against Gov.O'Malley, Bank of America, SunTrust Bank, and the money he was making off the prison industry. 07CF4988. That's Illinois. That's Jane Miller. She got this. The I team won't report this, but y'all called me a terrorist. I'm going to terrorize you with the truth. That's Senator Kelly from Kelly Insurance. He gave me $10,000 to make my movie, so I used it to bury my son. You feel me? I gave him back his money. Ask him. Senator Kelly from Kelly Insurance. That's Commissioner Davis, and he got my toilet. You see the toilet? See the toilet? Y'all made me famous for toilets, and I'm going to run with that shit. I support Shorty's potty training politicians and the police in Baltimore, the shittiest city in America. Yeah, that's Kevin Davis. He's the commissioner out in Fairfax County, Virginia now. You feel me? And y'all let that man kidnap that black boy when he was in Anne Arundel County, and y'all didn't do nothing to him. Y'all keep giving him a job. Slavery ain't ended. Y'all just reinvented it. That's Shellenberger. And that's me. Talking about the art of getting money. Traded the penitentiary for the plantation, cotton for cocaine, and we the cash crop. I changed my product. I didn't change my hustle. I sell sandwiches. I sell barbecue. And I'm going to be selling toilets now. That's Governor O'Malley and Brown. That's the NAACP, 92Q. O'Malley. You see that? That's Ehrlich. You see that? You're not tough on crime. You're tough on us. And that's all you do. I gave you your prison industry. Maryland's prison industry. Malcolm Ruff know about this too. He went to Gilman, graduating class. He went to University of Baltimore Law School. Frank Conway destroyed evidence. You took an oath to defend the Constitution and the people of the state of Maryland. What you gonna do about me? That's Maryland's prison industry. The money you make off black bodies. You feel me? It's the truth about Shorty. You took the oath. Now you got to do your job. This story is by the Baltimore Beat. See the date? The Baltimore Beat, 2023, February. You had it this long and you still ain't did nothing. You took an oath to defend the Constitution. You took an oath to defend me. Criminal charges against Scott Shellenberger are both of y'all can go to jail. You can't use your office to protect corruption. The RICO Act, it apply to you.